Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Calvin, and welcome to my investing channel. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and why Bitcoin will not have a catastrophic downfall or drop like we saw in 2017. Before we get started, I just wanted to reiterate that I am not a financial advisor, so please, if you do plan on investing, please consult a brokerage, a financial expert, and do invest at your own risk. With that being said, cryptocurrency is highly volatile, so make sure to employ proper risk management and to invest wisely. So with that being said, let's take a look at why Bitcoin will not be dropping back to 3,000. So the difference was in 2017, a lot of the companies didn't invest in Bitcoin, and it was more of a lot of retail traders that were having FOMO, that were really seeing the price increase dramatically and wanting to get in. With that being said, this time around, you have a variety of companies that are investing into Bitcoin or do have some ETFs or some funds that do allow people to own partial Bitcoins. You have the most popular one is going to be MicroStrategy. You also have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. ARRK actually owns a good amount of Grayscale. And then you have CoinShares, and then you do have BlackRock, one of the largest firms that will be going to invest into Bitcoin futures. So you have a variety of companies that are planning to invest in Bitcoin. One of the best ones, or the most popular ones, is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and it has seen its stock price kind of coincide along with the price of Bitcoin. So because large institutions are purchasing a lot of Bitcoin, I believe that there is sort of a large range of support, or that there will be a large range of support. So preventing the cryptocurrency market from really shooting back down, because there's not going to be a lot of panic sellers per se. I might be wrong, but I believe that because it's a lot of the Bitcoin is starting to be grabbed up by institutions rather than everyday retail traders, the volatility is going to slowly level out. I know with PayPal and Square both getting into Bitcoin, into crypto, it also provides Bitcoin with a lot of validity. As you can see, you can now buy, sell, and hold crypto via PayPal, and by having a lot of these fintech apps allow you to dabble in crypto, I think there's going to be a lot of support and a lot of validity to Bitcoin itself. So I think that as Bitcoin starts to dip a little bit, you're going to see a spike in the amount of buyers. Not that there isn't already enough buyers, but as Bitcoin kind of trends downward a little bit, I think that you're going to have a huge wave of new buyers, especially as the price of Bitcoin has kind of stabled above 30,000 for the last couple of weeks. If it holds 30 grand, or if it holds $25,000 support, it starts to move back up significantly, I think we'll definitely see a larger group of institutional investors, even though we already have 5 to 6 very notable companies that are investing heavily into not investing heavily, but that are dabbling into crypto investing. So with that being said, feel free to drop a couple of questions you have about Bitcoin and crypto. We can kind of talk a little bit about it, but these are sort of the main reasons why I don't think Bitcoin is going back down to $3,000, $5,000, or $10,000 anytime in the near future. So thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to scroll down and hit the subscribe button.